Alright, well, I tempted fate there by trying to rev the T1 because I still can't figure out how to get this carburetor needle dialed in for throttle range, speed, running, but it quit when I tried to dial it back again, but in the course of running today, the clutch now is locked up. So it's supposed to be released right now, and it is not releasing. So we'll have to take the clutch apart and see what is in there and what went wrong. So that'll be the next project with this. I am excited that it ran pretty well here until I tried to throttle it up. And it doesn't seem to be leaking any water, so that is another, yeah, it doesn't seem to have sucked water into the, down into the oil pan, so that's good too. So, yeah, I guess next on this is going to be the clutch. I forgot to say, it was about 45 minutes or an hour that the T1 ran, and also when I went to drain the fuel out of the fuel line, it was out of fuel. That's why when I started to rev it and then tried to adjust it, it didn't want to adjust very well, is because it didn't have any fuel to draw. So I guess the T1 ran really well then, except for now we got to do the clutch on it.